Afternoon, everyone. How are you doing today? Mike Zuber, one rental at a time, and I'm doing everything I can every day to help you be just a little bit better of an investor. A lot of people are stumbling across this channel because we talk about money, investing, the daily financial news. We interview 4 experts every week for you. We are a channel that really cares about you, and we talk about stuff that's meaningful every day. We are not a channel trying to hack the algorithm and do stimulus videos or crisis or eviction or all this negative stuff. Yes, I understand negative headlines drive clicks, but I believe if we put out enough good material consistently enough, we are going to grow a solid following together. So you can look for original content every day, 7 days a week. I will bring you daily financial news at 7:30. I will bring you 4 different experts every week. I will bring you project updates I'm doing. I am in this business just like you. So if you like that, you want to be a part of this family that is growing, please hit subscribe. One of my weekly goals is to track how many subscribers go up. It's my way of tracking how we're doing. Also, love the thumbs up, comments, all of that stuff. So again, this channel is for you. Hours I spend every day for you. This particular video is for all the new investors who are struggling. I have a whole playlist about my goals and how I move forward. But a lot of folks who are thinking about real estate investing, maybe they're not ready for my course. They don't have the $200 or they're not sure who I am as a person yet. I'm going to give you 5 goals for free that you can start executing now just to see if you're ready, to see if you can move forward. So let's bring that up and let's see. So here's my investor challenge. All right, so this is the investor challenge. This is if you think you're ready, but you're stuck. You're stuck. You don't know what's going on. So here's number 1. I want you to simply pick a zip code and a property type that you're going to look at every day this week. 10 to 20 minutes a day, I want you to look at something. For example, 93703. It's where I started in Fresno, California, a city I never lived in, don't know anyone. I picked it because it was middle. I picked that zip code and then I said, okay, I want single family homes, which means I excluded duplexes, quads, apartments, condos out. I decided instead of all homes, I only wanted 3 or 4 bedroom homes. And then I said, I want more than 1 bath. And then I said, I wanted between like 1,000 and 1,500 square feet. I want you to pick your criteria, and I don't care what it is. I really don't. If you only want to look at fourplexes, awesome. If you only want to look at duplexes, awesome. If you only want to look at condos, awesome. I don't care. I'm trying to give you samples. Step number 1, pick your zip code and property type, write it down. And then you're going to track and see how many times you looked at it this week. The goal is every day. Number 2, I want you to connect with 5 new people this week in your market. Just an example, maybe you find 2 new agents, maybe you talk to 2 property managers, and maybe you talk to 1 lender or bank. I don't care. It could be 5 new agents. Awesome. But if you are going to start really moving forward in the market that we talked about in goal number 1, you need to talk to more people. Now, talk could mean email if you're more comfortable that way, but you need to make 5 new connections. You need to track who those connections are. Number 3, here's the deal, folks. I believe most Americans have a spending problem, not an income problem. So I want you to track every penny you spend this week. Every penny. I don't care if it's a $3 for parking. I want you to record every penny you spend this week. Every penny. Write it down. And then at the end of the week, I want you to go through that list with someone, maybe your significant other, maybe a friend, and go, this is a need or a want. Need means you have to do it. Want is it was optional. Next question. This is one that you have to ask yourself and ask others. Get more opinions. Is your market benefiting from the trends today? If you've been watching this channel for the last several months, you know that I believe there are some trends happening right in front of us. First, we have exodus from urban cities and high tax states. Second, we have millennials that were renters now becoming owners. There is a lot of movement in the US right now. So ask yourself, get validation. Is your city benefiting or is your city shrinking? Because I think it's the K-shaped recovery all over. I think there will be some cities that are really crushed and some cities that win. We need to figure that out. And you need to figure that out. Number 5, here is the deal. This is actually step 2 in my course. Step 1 is figure your market out, your criteria. Step 2 is getting comfortable with the math. I want you to calculate the yield on 20 properties you find this week. I don't care if there are 20 properties you're thinking about buying. I need you to get comfortable with the math. You need to figure out what average is. This is what my entire course is built on, figuring out what average is, and it keys on very simple math. The denominator is what is the out-of-pocket cash, and the numerator is expected yearly cash flow. That produces a percentage, a decimal, and then you convert to a percentage. You need to do that. If you need help with the math, if math's not your thing, great. The course is perfect for you. I go through every record in detail. I even give you my spreadsheet. If math is good for you, great. Do the math. Try to figure out what average is. Ideally, these 20 properties should be from step number 1, but I'm not going to mandate that. If you want to do 20 other properties, go ahead. I don't care. Start to get comfortable with the math. And then just for fun, I put this in there as just a little shout out to this channel. I want to challenge you to try to watch every video this week. Now, I realize I put out a lot of stuff. I've put out 46 videos the last 3 weeks, so I get it. I'm sorry. But realize that those are all well-intentioned. They all are trying to help people get just a little bit better. I am trying to service a lot of markets, so sometimes the videos will be helpful to you and sometimes they won't. But realize I am trying. So if you're a new investor and you're really looking to push yourself, but you're not sure how, take this challenge. Doesn't cost you anything. Costs you a little bit of time. I think you can do it. Let's see what happens. If you're going to take the challenge, let me know below. Leave a comment and I will try to follow up with you and see how you did. If you want help with picking your market, understanding the math, the course is the best thing I've created. How to get started, 1 rental at a time below. It's $199, but get you all kinds of extras like a private Facebook group and access to me on the weekends. We do a Saturday live session. So that's what I got for you. Let's see what happens. Have fun. Take care.